Today we practice the art of sous vide cooking. It's a fine chef form of cuisine. Only instead of a very expensive cut of meat such as a filet mignon or a T-bone steak, for example, we're going with something completely disgusting. That's right. Keeping in mind that some people cannot afford to eat fine food, we're going to see what it's like to eat something truly nauseating, vile, putrid, hideous, and disgusting. But we're going to prepare it sous vide and see if we can't make it into something wonderful. Okay, of course it's a long shot. This is really horrible stuff, but we're going to do it. And you're going to watch me cook it, and I'm going to eat this whole thing, too. No joke, no matter how bad it turns out. All right, there you have it. That's a promise I'll keep, as you'll see in our next video. Bon appetit.